Hi, good evening everyone. Today's topic is regarding email notifications. Like in ServiceNow, we have majorly catalog items, incidents creation, and other topics like creation of custom table records. If you want to notify the user when the record is created or when the item is requested, then this topic comes under picture called email notifications. Let's see how to open the existing email notifications. And I'll write the path here. Go for filter navigator, type notifications. Under that we have emails. Okay. Let's see in the PDA, click on filter navigator, type notifications, drop down here. Under system notification, we have the email here and we have the notifications also here. Okay. Under system notification, we have the emails. Click on this email and we have something called as notifications here. Go for notifications. And these are the notifications. Let me open the existing one or which is already present in our system. Like it is the view of the notification record. Like generally we see all those things in all scenarios. Like we have the name of the notification table, on which table you want to execute this email notification, the category of the notifications, whether it is active or not. We have application global, and we'll discuss this allow digest later. And we have when to send, like when to send this notification, who will receive this notification, and what will the notification consist of, and other things are there. Okay, like the preview notification, update and delete. Click on preview notification. It will show you how it is visible to the end user or the received person. Okay, let's see. Like we can see like unsubscribe model here, unsubscribe notification preferences. Okay, we'll also discuss these parts in our custom email creation. Let's modify this. Like we have directly emails under system notifications. Like if you want to create new, the same thing applies here. Goes for the table. Like just copy the table name. It is a table name where all notifications are stored. And let's see how to create a new one. Go back and click on new button to create a new email notification. And in the first column, it is specifying the name of the notification. Just go for demo for batch 26. And on which table you want to execute, go for this part. Like I just go for incident record. For incident table, we have already a notification which is predefined by the system. Okay, just it is we are creating a custom one. And category, in which category you want to do this, like categorization of this notification, select this reference icon and select anyone among this. Go for any part like demo notifications. And active is true, application scope is global, and we'll discuss this part later like allow digest. And first section is when to send. Okay, in the when to send section we have an option called send when. We have three options here: record, inserted or updated, event is filed, and triggered. Okay, first we'll go with this first part, like record, inserted or updated. If you see, like we have two options directly in the when to send, like when record is inserted or updated. We have two options for the significance. Like if you want to go like when to send for only inserted, select the checkbox. If you want to notify the user when record is updated only, then select this checkbox. If you want to go with two scenarios, select both checkbox like inserted and updated. Okay, and if you have any conditions like whether caller is this person or when category is this category, we can choose these conditions here. Okay, I just go with the plain first. Let's see how it will be. And we have something called who will receive. When record is inserted or updated, like we have and updated, and who will receive this notification. Like we have users field, we have groups or users here, and we have groups, and we have subscribable here. Just select the subscribable, it will show at unsubscribe when you see the notification like in the preview format. Go for users and select any user if you have already know the name. Like I can select any user here and click on this lock icon, and you can select any other person also. Like we can enable the current logged in user. Okay, if I uncheck this box, you can see like this plus mark, you can select add me. Add me in the sense of add the current logged in user. If you click on this icon, then it will add the current logged in user. And we have users or groups in the fields. Click on this lock icon. In the incident form, like these are the columns of incident form. You can select caller is showing as place, service is showing as place, assignment group showing as place, and these are reference to a different table. Like caller is referred to user table. If I click on this icon, if you click on this plus mark, it will show the columns of the user field. Okay, you can select here as email. It is called caller.email. This email is belongs to the user table email value. Okay, the person who selects like as a caller value, then his email should be allowed here. Okay, and we have groups here. If you want to select any groups, like if you want to notify this notification for the different groups, we have dev group, admin group, and other groups. You can notify them also. Click on help desk, and if you want to enable the subscribable button, just enable this button. Okay, fine. And then we have something called as what it will contain. After completion of when to send, who will receive, and what will it contain, we have this format here, like the subject, like general for every letter, like every email, we have the subject here. Like we just go for demo of email notifications for batch 26. Okay, is my subject. And if you want to input anything, you can input. I'll just go for any random text here. Okay, clear. Or you can like mention in a clear format. Incident is created or updated successfully. Okay, I'm not doing anything, just I given some random text here to display what to be displayed there. That's it. Just click on save button before going to the next part. I just filled the name, the table, category, and who to send, like when to send, who will receive, and what will it contain. Okay. Then after that, if you want to show the preview, like if you want to see how the email will be visible for the end user, like the person who creates or inserts the record of incident record, then click on this preview notification, and you can see our text here along with unsubscribe button here, and along with this some event creator and incident record preview. Okay, let's see how it will be. It is just preview, like as a demo. Go for filter navigator or go for history, create an incident record. Don't you have incident? Okay, remember the incident number here, so it can be easy to find which notification is it is regarding 10132, and I fill the required columns. That's it. Click on submit. 10132. Right now that record is created. Like in when to send, we have selected both checkboxes like inserted along with updated. Just if you want to check the emails here, type emails. Under system logs, we have the emails here. Click on this emails, and you can see these are the emails which are populated. If you open this record, this was created defaultly by the system. If you go for a preview notification or preview email here, the graphics which is designed by the system here regarding this incident. Okay, I'll show the custom one here, how it will be. And it is showing some short description, urgency, and it is showing some thank you, service stream, something like that. We have unsubscribe button here and notification preferences here. Okay. And we have some reference number here. By this reference number, we can check the notification where it is coming from. Okay. It is called some reference number of this email. And we'll check our notification how it will be. Go back and you can see like here demo of email notifications for batch 26 is my subject. Open this record and come towards bottom of the page and click on preview email, and you can see like it is showing some hey words like incident is filtered or updated and unsubscribe button, and we have some reference number here. Okay, clear? Anything doubt up to this? Okay, I'll take it as no. Fine. Here, if you want to show the content of the email, it will be in this format. Okay, it is in will be in the HTML format, like the tags in between. All those things will be updated. Like here is the text we what we are seeing, like the font size and the style, and we have this font size and this is our text. Okay, then we'll configure this in another way, like how it will be, because if you go for incident, if I open this record. Right now, the caller is this user, like Sharat Chandra is a user. Because I need to notify him with the name directly. If I click on this preview email, I can't see his name. I can't see the incident number. I can't see any other fields here. It is showing for each and everyone in the same way. I don't want this. I want in a real time, like when any user creates that tickets, then these values should be auto populated in the email notification. Okay, we'll configure that. Let's go for notifications, and I'll configure the same notification what we done here. Go for notifications, drag the columns created, open the existing email notification, and we have an option called dynamic values, which allows you to insert the dynamic values regarding in the email notification. If you go for what will it contain, we have a fields option here. Okay, just select this fields option, and these are the values of this table called incident table. Okay, like if you want to go for the caller name, you can go for directly the caller value here. Okay, the inputting of the dynamic values will be this format, like dollar curly brace open, mention the backend name of the column, close the braces. If you want to mention any dynamic values, it is the way. Just clear this, just select this part, it will automatically enables you here. Okay, you can remove the unnecessary words here. If you want to mention the incident number here, we have something called number column. Go for number, and okay, and then if you want to mention any short description, go for S, and if you want to mention any impact or any other things like I, go for I impact, and if you go for urgency, U. That's it, and you can just mention as regards ServiceNow-INDIA. Okay, that's it. I don't want anything to be included here. Just decrease the font size, Control E. Okay, fine. Just preview once again before going to the next step. Save this record. Click on preview notification, and you can see the difference here. Like it is showing hey, the caller name, the incident number, along with short description, along with impact and urgency for just for demo purpose. Let's see how it will be in the real time. Go for incident and just enter -1 to create a new record here. And here it is new record. Let's go for with another name and go for demo to as test. Short description as demo for batch 26. SD stands for short description. And any other values impact urgency or allowed. That's it. Save this record. And after creation of this record, you can check for the email logs here. Go for a filter navigator, type emails. Under system logs, we have the emails. Like every email will be populated here. And you can go for this email notification. Come towards bottom of the page. You can see like preview email. Okay, let's go back. It was not that one. Yeah, this one, the Shambhaji one. Go for preview email and it is done by the system. Close it, go back. Which one? It is 10133. It is not our email. Yeah, we have this part. Click on preview email. Okay, it is by default system. Go back. You can see like regards ServiceNow-INDIA here directly. Okay, click on preview email. And you can see like the text what we mentioned and the real-time name here. Like it's called dynamic name. The incident number is populating here. We can see the same incident number called 10133. And the short description is same. And impact and urgency and what we mentioned in the regards, like the text what we mentioned in the letter. And we have unsubscribe button and along with the reference number of this notification. Clear regarding this dynamic values also? Like we have a topic called schedule jobs in ServiceNow. The name itself states that regarding if you want to schedule any job, we can use this schedule job topic in ServiceNow to schedule anything in the future, like for the future purposes. In the previous sessions, we have done with a part called how to schedule a report in the report section. And if you want to do any job regarding with any future formats, we can directly go towards a topic called schedule job in ServiceNow. For example, if you want to open the schedule jobs, let's go for the path. Just go for the filter navigator, type schedule jobs. Ignore the spellings are wrong. Filter navigator. You can see like we have schedule jobs under system definition. Schedule jobs. Okay. Under system definition, we have schedule jobs. Click on this schedule jobs. And these are the schedule jobs which are already there. We can see like visit the dashboard to get the valuable insights and visualizations for monitoring your workloads. It is called some hint like the info message from the schedule jobs content. And you can open any existing one. For example, if you go for this address user has errors, and you can see like scheduled script execution and the name active true application scope is global. And we have any conditions, you can mention conditions like we have the script here. Okay, and these are the other things which are done now. If you want to execute directly now, then you can click on execute now. If you want to execute this in the future, ignore this button. Let's see how to create a new schedule job here. Click on new button to create a new schedule job. you can see, like, if I click on new button, it is showing three options here, like automate the generation and distribution of a report, automatically generate something called incident change or the CI from a template, and we have automatically run a script of your choosing. Okay, we'll come toward this first point. We know this first point already we discussed in the report section. I don't want to repeat it. I just show you the glimpse here. Click on this option and it will automatically redirect to you to create like the scheduling of a report, the name report, which report you want to schedule, and which users you want to include, which groups you want to include, the email address, subject, omit if no records, like the run, if you want to run it daily or weekly or monthly, or we have subject and we have something called introductory message, and if you want to mention PDF or landscape in different formats, and we have something called the page size, and just click on submit. And we have seen this part in the report section. Refer this report, like scheduling a report topic in the report section. You may get all these things. We discuss all those parts there. If I click on conditional, then it allows you to write the script here. Okay. Then we have something, a directly scheduled job, which allows only scripting there. Okay. We'll come to that. Go back. Like I don't want to go with the same topic again. Click on new button and go for second topic called automatically generate something, which may be change, which may be incident or a CA. CA is nothing but configuration item from a template. If you want to create any template and if you want to schedule it for the future, we need to use the second option. Click on the second option and I'll show you how it will be. And it is asking the name of your scheduled entity generation. Just go for a demo for B26 is my name. Like SJ is for scheduled jobs. And if you want to mention any conditions like any script, you can mention any script here. I don't want to go with any script here. And we have daily here. Like if you want to run it daily, you can run it daily. If you want to make it weekly or monthly or periodically once on demand, business calendar starts with January 1st and business calendar ends with 31st December. I'll just go for something called daily here. And time zone is depends on which time zone you are working, or if you want to go with any custom time zone, you can go for custom time zone also. I'll just go for Canada. I'll just go for these are the hours and these are the minutes and these are the seconds. Okay. And we have something called what to generate. We have selected the name, we have selected when to run, and we have selected the time zone and along with time also, but we haven't selected anything what to generate. And here we have something called template here to generate this. If you click on this reference icon, you can see some templates here which are already there. I want to create a new template here. Click on new button to create a new template. And here we have a template. Just name the template if you want to rename it. I just go with directly 5, which is going towards the default name. Go for the table, on which table you want to generate anything like record or any incident or problem. I'll go with the incident record. Select the incident table. Like select any short description. Like I just go for test. And we have application scope as global. Domain is global. Domain is different here. Okay. Domain is different. Application scope is different. Okay. And user is the current logged in user. And if you want to include any groups here, you can include the groups. If you want to go for any specific view of the table, just select the global here. If not, disable this. Okay. And choose the template. Is asking some template to choose here. Choose field here like color. You can select any color here. Click on this reference icon. Like just enter if you know any values. Go for choose field like category, software, subcategory, email. Go for demo 2. We have demo 1 and demo 2 column. Demo 2, some test value. We have short description. Checking SJ 2025 batch 26. We have contact type also, like the channel. Make it as any value which is already available. Just go for self-service and that's it. Click on. We don't have anything like save, like we have clear. we have submit, we have schedule directly. Okay, just click on submit. Then automatically you can see like the template has been selected. If you save this record regarding the scheduled entity generation, then it automatically executes in the backend for daily 10:30:31 seconds. It generates this record. Okay, just save this record, and we may get option called execute now, because I don't want to wait for till 10 in the morning. I just click on execute now, and it automatically creates a record in which table?
Incident table.
Incident table. Let's check incident table for that. Go for incidents. Okay, I don't have any multiple incidents. Go for filter navigator, incidents, go for all, and you can see like this was created by using the scheduled job. Checking SJ 2025 V26. Software is category software, subcategory is email, channel is self-service, and caller is the predefined caller what we mentioned in the template. For example, if you mention weekly here, if I go for weekly option, then it will create the record on weekly on every Monday by 10 a.m. or 10:30 a.m. Okay, if you mention as monthly, it asks the date on which date you want to create. Okay, for every month on 13th date, it will create by 10:30 a.m. regarding this record of incident table. You can choose any table. The second option will allows you to create any record like incident, problem, change, or CA. Clear? Any doubt up to this?
Clear.
Then we'll go for the third option, like schedule jobs. System definition, go for schedule jobs, leave, and click on new button to create a new schedule job. We can see like we have seen the first distribution of a report, like scheduling a report, and we can create a template from a template. You can create anything like something. It is showing us directly something. Like in the bracket, just mention the three things. You can go for custom table also. Like we have the passport application table. We can also create the record on the schedule basis regarding our custom table also by using a template. And here we have automatically run a script of your choosing. Okay, click on this third one, and it directly showing the condition here to write the script. Okay, and let's see how it will be. I just name like a scenario: deactivate users who haven't logged in for more than 90 days. Okay, we can see this thing in our network. Like if you don't use the sim, if you purchase for the money, like for any purpose, if you don't use them for 90 days, then those can be automatically deactivated. And here we are using for the deactivate the users who are not logged in for more than 90 days, and it will deactivate the users, not deleting the users. Okay, just go for name, active is true, application scope is global. If you want to mention any conditions, you can also mention the conditions. Directly we have the directly conditions here. Run the script here. And when to run the script? On every month, on first date, I need to go regarding this use case called schedule job. And you need to write on which time you want to execute, like time zone, anything. Go for US Central. Just select any time, 10:30, 31 seconds. Okay, and go for the script if you want to write here. I'll just write the script, and it will be easy. And don't bother about the script. I'll explain each and every line. Where it's a just variable name equal to new. We have a separate API called glide date and time. Okay, which allows you to do the operations regarding time and date formats. Here we are checking, like deactivating the users more than not logged for 90 days. And then 90 days ago dot, we have a method called add days UTC. You can see what it happens, like adds a specific number of days to the current glide and date and time object expressed in the UTC time zone. Then where user z are equal to the same thing what we apply for the glide record bracket open, just mention the sys underscore user table because we are checking in the user table directly, like user z or dot add encoded query because we don't have anything like in our hands. Let's go for this part and copy the add encoded query here, like the persons who haven't logged in for 90 days. Filter navigator sys underscore user dot list, go for filter icon here, go for selected, we have lost login time. Okay, lost login time equal to or less than or equal to, like go for months or days, like 90 days. Okay, go for directly months or 3 months. Okay, less than 3 months, or go for directly days and just mention 90 days here. Okay, before created, that's it. Login time is less than 90 days. Click on run. It is showing nothing, just copy for your purpose and enter here. And add encoded query is used to enter the multiple conditions in a single line. Okay, then we have user dot, like user gr dot query while user gr dot next, we have user gr dot active equal to true, user gr dot, that's it. Okay, if the any users are having like more than 90 days, then we can directly active, like make it as active as false. Sorry. Clear? Any doubt on this part, like other than these two lines? Any doubt here?
No,
No,
Sharat.
sir.
Fine, we need to mention here something regarding this part because we haven't used it here. Like apart from this add encoded query, like just plus 90 days ago dot get value, we'll get the value regarding in the date and time formats. We use this get value for the purpose. Okay, clear? Just save this record and automatically it will apply the script on the monthly basis. It will deactivate the users who are not logged in for more than 90 days. Clear?